Linear perspective is a challenge for most of us. Usually, though, it's because we don't start simple. So in this 1 minute art tip exercise, we'll practice drawing simple boxes in 1 point perspective. My usual show of appreciation thanks to everyone who supported my books, Pen and Ink Drawing, A Simple Guide, and the Pen and Ink Drawing Workbook. Thank you. Almost everything can be constructed using boxes, even a sphere. So if we take the time to learn to draw simple boxes in perspective, the creative possibilities we have are endless. In 1 point perspective, there's one vanishing point. So remember, the side of the box facing us is never distorted. All of the visible sides get smaller towards the vanishing point. First, draw the horizon and vanishing point. The horizon establishes our ground, and the vanishing point essentially ties everything together. Next, draw the front side of your box and just ensure the corners are 90 degrees. This way it won't be or appear distorted. Then connect the corners of the visible side to the vanishing point. Now, you have to decide how deep you want the box and then just draw in the distant edges. Then connect the distant edges to the front edges and just ensure the sides of the front and the sides of the distant edges are parallel, and that's it. And for practice, you can draw several boxes all around the vanishing point, above, below, or even across the horizon, and make sure they're in various distances and dimensions. Now, remember, these boxes can be used to construct mechanical subjects like houses, buildings, cars, and even natural organic subjects like the human figure. Okay, everyone, I hope you found this useful and something you can use to improve your own drawings. See, the point of these 1 minute art tip videos is to show you that you really don't need a lot of time to be able to practice the fundamentals and essentials of drawing. All right, so thanks for watching, everyone. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.